The Arizona weather is hard on your heating and cooling system. One day you're running your heat at full blast, the next day we're running our air conditioning. Good news, Rite Way is running a $59 complete system tune-up. We'll come out and tune up both your AC and furnace from top to bottom for just $59. We'll remove years of dirt, grime, and leaves from your air conditioning system. We'll even include a complimentary refrigerant leak check at no charge.
Call or text Rite Way at 480-WE-FIX-IT for your $59 tune-up special.